Hello, my name is Markus Fischer, and I'm a system engineer at SmartTech Solutions in industrial automation. Today, I want to share why we chose EnergyXpert energy management software. One of the biggest advantages of EnergyXpert is its quick and hassle-free installation. Thanks to the IoT Explorer one-click installer, setup takes less than a minute, allowing us to start optimizing our energy usage almost instantly. The system's architecture is simple yet powerful. With built-in functions into the IoT server, we don't need complex IT infrastructure. We utilize IoT server resources, making the entire process smooth and efficient. We recently implemented EnergyXpert at a food processing company where electricity, hot water, and gas consumption are critical. The factory also operates a solar power plant, storing excess energy in a battery system. The IoT server manages the entire process, ensuring seamless energy distribution and storage. Another standout feature of EnergyXpert is its built-in AI-powered anomaly detection, allowing us to quickly identify and address irregularities in energy consumption. This ensures immediate action on potential issues, reducing downtime and optimizing efficiency. Another key benefit is that EnergyXpert requires minimal maintenance while offering high-level security, ensuring our data is protected at all times. To summarize, we chose EnergyXpert because it's cost-effective, easy to integrate, flexible, and secure. Plus, its AI-driven anomaly detection ensures smooth operations and maximum efficiency. If you're looking for an advanced energy management solution, EnergyXpert is the way forward.